driver, so I can always make my way through town. Since 5 o'clock comes, that don't mean nothing to me. I pop her in first gear and I head through the debris. I wanna be a monster truck driver, yeah, and a Ford or maybe a Chevy. Knobby tires as far as the eye can see. A big roll bar and a padded sheepskin seat. I wanna be a monster truck driver. I wanna be a monster truck driver, yeah. Just nothing on Saturday and never on Monday. Happens on Sunday, Sunday, Sunday. I wanna be a monster truck driver, and them Sunday drivers and late peoples will disappear. I don't need to honk my horn, it don't matter cause they can't hear. Just roll over their Dodge Dart and I'll smile as our company's part. I wanna be a monster truck driver and crank my radio from Elvis to Johnny Cash, maybe even smoke up some of that hash brown, hash brown, hash brown, hash brown, yeah. Doesn't happen on Saturday, never on Monday. Happens on Sunday, Sunday, Sunday. It doesn't happen on Saturday, never on Monday. Happens on Sunday, Sunday, Sunday.